The world of natural health remedies is vast and diverse, with an array of plants and herbs offering potent benefits. One such gift from Mother Nature is bergamot, hailing from the citrus family. Bergamot is not just a flavor enhancer in the ever-popular Earl Grey tea, but also packs a wealth of health benefits. Origin of bergamot. Bergamot orange, scientifically known as Citrus bergamia, is a fragrant citrus fruit the size of an orange, with a color ranging from green to yellow. It's predominantly grown in the Calabria region of southern Italy. Interestingly, though it's a citrus fruit, its aroma is more floral than citrusy, making it a favorite among perfumers. 1. Essential oils and aromatherapy. Bergamot essential oil, derived from the fruit's peel, is a staple in aromatherapy. When inhaled, it's believed to reduce anxiety. Studies suggest that bergamot oil can elevate mood and alleviate stress, enhance sleep quality. It's known to have sedative properties, promoting relaxation and better sleep. 2. Skin benefits. It's a natural cleanser. Bergamot's antibacterial properties make it perfect for eliminating pimples and promoting glowing skin. Reduces scars. Its cacarescent properties help reduce scars and other marks on the skin. 3. Digestive health. In traditional Chinese medicine, bergamot is often used to improve the flow of vital energy and ensure the digestive system's smooth operation. It is believed to stimulate the secretion of digestive juices, aiding in faster digestion of food. 4. Cardiovascular health. Bergamot contains compounds that can help lower cholesterol levels, potentially reducing heart disease risks. 5. Antimicrobial properties. The citrus fruit has demonstrated antimicrobial activity against a range of harmful bacteria, which can be especially helpful in preventing infections. 6. Metabolism booster. Its flavonoids stimulate muscle relaxation, increase the secretion of digestive acids, bile, and insulin, enhancing the digestive process and metabolic rate. Potential side effects. Like everything, moderation is key. Bergamot oil, when applied directly to the skin, might make it more sensitive to the sun and more susceptible to sunburn. Always consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating any new supplements or remedies into your routine. Incorporating bergamot into your life. Earl Grey tea is a popular way to enjoy the subtle flavors of bergamot. Essential oils, used in aromatherapy diffusers or diluted in carrier oils for massages. Culinary uses. Bergamot peel is sometimes used in marmalade or as a garnish. The wonders of bergamot are indeed vast, from its aromatic contributions in perfumes and teas to its significant health benefits. As we continue our journey in exploring natural health tips, the bergamot stands out as a testament to nature's power to heal, soothe, and rejuvenate. Embrace its benefits, but always ensure you're using it safely and responsibly.